Okay, ladies and gentlemen, ito naman po yung second part of the video on how to withdraw. Sabi natin pumasok na yung deposit natin. So ngayon, let's do a withdrawal. Okay? So right there, as you can see, yung $43 na nakita nyo kanina, pumasok na po. Okay, so now we're gonna do a withdrawal process. All you have to do is click lang sa may money tab and then click on withdraw. Ayan. Ngayon, and then we have to choose which account. Yan, sobrang importante po yan. So check nyo lang po yung account na kung saan kayo mag-withdraw kung if you have multiple accounts. And then mamimili lang ulit po kayo ng mga ways like you can do digital payments gamit yung mga crypto wallet nyo. Ayan. Pwede rin po si DragonPay ulit. Lalagay nyo lang yung bank account nyo dito kung DragonPay po gagamitin nyo. Ayan. So yan lang po. Piliin nyo lang po kung ano yung bangko na gagamitin nyo for DragonPay. Kasi si DragonPay po mismo ang magde-deposit sa bank account nyo sa Philippines. Yan, okay. Make sure. Just fill in po yung mga information na kailangan natin, yung amount na we're gonna withdraw. So, kumaga, sample, $43 muna. So, syempre ngayon, ilagay nyo na rin yung infos ng banko nyo, branch name, city, and all that. So, double check lang po to make sure everything is correct. Yan, and then you just press submit. And then, submit nyo lang to confirm withdrawal. And ngayon, makikita nyo po, meron po tayong minimum withdrawal of 50 USD. Ayan. So, syempre, to be able to withdraw, dapat meron tayong $50 at least sa withdrawal natin. Pero ganun lang po kasimple, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching po.